unboxing. Well, we did actually 2. The candle is from Northern Exposure, and it's called Sweet Tooth, which Naya has fallen in love with it.
It smells like candy and cupcakes.
Then we have our Coral Rose Warmer, which is, I ordered the warmer because I had the candle or the wax, but we didn't have warmer. So we got our Scentsy warmer, which we're gonna plug in. We also have, okay, you tell me what it smells like. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. What's it like?
You can smell it.
You don't smell it?
I don't know where it's missing it.
What's sniff the thing?
Smells like, it kind of smells like chocolate and caramel.
Chocolate brownie batter.
Hallelujah! Now you know I have to me some brownies.
I know. Hold on to that.
On it.
Don't drop it, please.
Okay.
And then we have our car clips, Scentsy car clips, and I like the smell of these. What do they smell like?
Buttery popcorn with caramel on top.
Popcorn.
I smell popcorn.
It's vanilla bean buttercream.
Vanilla bean smells like popcorn?
No, your nose don't work properly.
No.
So,
I
Rihanna,
have a clear nose.
thank you for all of our Scentsy stuff. We just wanted you to wanted to do the unboxing for you, and